Hey everybody, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. A super quick video. Just want to show you a couple of things. We have our tankless water heater up. I know, not installed. Don't have the roof vent up yet. That is. But it is up. Now we can just get that gas line run from the new tank under the floor and across. And if you look behind me, that is the template for where the wood burning stove is going to be. And yes, we got the chimney up through the roof. So, and you're saying, why is it right there? That's not what you had in the plan. Yes, the plan was going to be over there by the window. We can't get through the roof. The two peaks of the roof come together in the wrong spot, so it had to move. This will be better because then if we want to get a little kitchen cabinet kind of thing, boy, I can't remember what those are called. I know Denise loves them, but we might be able to have space for that next to the kitchen table that'll be over on that wall. Anyway, that is about the extent of it for today. I just wanted to give you a real quick update because that's done. Got a little more of the plumbing done. We got the last vent that needed to go up through the roof. That got done today too. So all is well. And we got the internet line run from the house to the well house to the shop. We have internet in the shop now. It's a little jinky right now because the internet in the RV to get to the house, we've got it through the RV window, through the window in the house, and across. And then you can see this black pipe that runs down under the house, out the door, out to the well house. Anyway, internet is working though, so one step closer to getting things accomplished that we want to get done. Anyway, just a quick video. We really appreciate you all. Please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.